Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you an important feature for security purpose. We can know to what all apps our Gmail is connected. So there is a list of apps we have given permission of our Gmail for to use that apps for sign-in purpose or other purpose. So how to check the list of Gmail connected apps? It's very simple. Open Chrome on your mobile browser on your mobile and just search as my account Google. So we need to browse through the website called myaccount.google.com. See here, myaccount.google.com. Tap on this. Once you tap on this is the interface. You will see home, personal info, data and privacy, and the fourth option security. You need to tap on security. So under security you need to scroll to bottom. See, I have scrolled to bottom and see here, this is the option where we get all the list of third party apps and services which are using Gmail. So you need to click on this option, see all connections. So these are all the apps, the list of apps where my Gmail is connected to. So for Spotify I have given Gmail permission, so tap on this to remove this. If at all if you want to remove this, I have given the sign in permission. So delete all connections you have with Spotify. If I click on this forward symbol, if I confirm with confirm, then the connection between the Spotify and my Gmail will be deleted. Likewise WhatsApp Messenger also. So yes, this is how simple you can know the list of all the connected apps to Gmail, and if at all if you want to remove them, you can remove them. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.